Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Alright. This one will be number 88, 66. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. 20. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one, there, one. Double O here, one, there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. And I know we have here 3 O's. If I place number 5, the number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. We have here 3 ones. If we place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Then let me see. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do the fix. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.